Hey, everyone! Welcome back. And today we're diving into the heart of comfort food with a classic recipe that's been passed down through generations: Grandma's traditional potato salad. If you're a fan of timeless dishes that bring back memories, you're in for a treat. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Now, let's jump right into it. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this classic potato salad. Potatoes, about 4-5 medium-sized. Hard-boiled eggs, 3. Celery, 2 stalks, finely chopped. Red onion, 1/2, finely diced. Dill pickles, 2, finely chopped. Mayonnaise, 1 cup. Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons. Apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Salt and pepper to taste. Paprika, for garnish. Start by peeling and chopping your potatoes into bite-sized pieces. This ensures that every forkful is packed with flavor. Boil them until they're fork tender. But be careful not to overcook. We want them to hold their shape. Once your potatoes are ready, it's time to assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the boiled potatoes, diced hard-boiled eggs, finely chopped celery, red onion, and dill pickles. Now, let's whip up the dressing. In a separate bowl, mix together the mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. This dressing adds a creamy and tangy kick to the salad. Pour the dressing over the potato mixture and gently fold everything together. Make sure each potato is coated with that delicious dressing. Now comes the hard part. Cover your potato salad and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least a couple of hours. This allows the flavors to meld together and creates that perfect, irresistible taste. And there you have it, Grandma's traditional potato salad. Just before serving, sprinkle a little paprika on top for that extra burst of color and flavor. Thanks for joining me on this culinary journey down memory lane. If you enjoyed this classic potato salad recipe, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite family recipe that's been passed down through the generations? I'd love to hear about it. Until next time, happy cooking!